elegant, classic look to it. I don't want to modernize it too much by creating too much of a stack. So the stack is when you come in and you pull it out, and it creates this elevation going up, so it'll go where it's shorter underneath, and it kind of gets a little bit longer as you move through to the occipital bone area, which creates a really pretty look. So to show you from a different angle, you come in and you would just pull this straight out. So we'll be doing a little bit of this after we get everything cut to just soften, but I really want it to make a nice thick perimeter. So because of that, I'm opting to just do everything pretty much at zero elevation. So all you're going to be doing is just pulling it straight down, so using that comb. Soften your hair This bob is actually cut this back, we'll go in, cut the sides, and then we're going to add some soft, long layering. But you can go in and refine afterwards, after you get it dry, so you can see fully how it's laid. So I've got 2 more sections here to cut this back perimeter, and then we'll move into the sides. Side view here, it just barely angles in. It's very, very small, it's soft, it's not extreme. Not on both sides, because we're just lightly directing your back. Than if it were in Salon. I have a camera. I'm gonna watch how it works. After you get the perimeter cut, you'll look through. I you make sure your perimeter is even, you can have the client look all the way down completely. So most people do not look with their head literally all the way down. You get your phone, you're talking and stuff, so oftentimes people just lightly do it. So at this point, I would tell somebody, look all the way down. All the way down to where their head is literally flat. Okay? You're not just put it down a little bit. Make them do it as much as they can. Some people have harder time sitting down due to, just they've got issues with their neck. So if they can't do it, don't force it. You can always do this another way. But have it slow down as much as you can. I like to just take this very top section here, because it's really this little bit that always likes to poke out afterwards. And it just drives me insane. So I like to have people look all the way down, or you can clip this up, still have them look down somewhat. And we're just gonna nip these little guys just a tiny bit more, because these pieces always like to poke out. There's nothing worse than a bob when like you have somebody, you see them look down and you see those pieces poking out underneath. It kind of ruins the look of it. So this obviously that's not So we have our back done, and I'm gonna move now into our side. So you can have the client still keep their head slightly down for just the first perimeter. This is on a side part, so you would want your client looking, or you would want to part their hair however they wear it. If you're a flip-flop, cut it down the middle.
उसके अपोजिट साइड से पूरा 360 टर्न करना है आपको.
Cut it into the side they wear it, just so it's exactly precise. Sometimes you can have them for themselves, so it's right in the right area.
हल्का सा फिंगर छाप करो.
We're going to be cutting this perimeter, following in line with our back piece. Again, this is just barely angled forward, so we're not going to keep extending the ankle. We're going to just square it off. So the front is still very, very minimally longer than the back, but it flows very nice. We're not bringing it down.
पूरा टर्न हो जाओ.
Not a severe angled bob. This is just classic bob.
हल्का सा हेड डाउन करना.
So as it goes out, everything keeps in line.
करो आप स्टार्ट करो.
Comb the hair straight down, like we did with the back, it up. So my longest point is right here. Comb down, shorter hair, right at that point.
ठीक है. अब आप मिरर में देखना. आप थोड़ा सा स्माइल रखना फेस पे. अब आप पूरा 360 टर्न होना एक बार हो. ठीक है.
Feel like you're losing control, you can't use your fingers. Just try to not pull a lot of tension. As possible to zero elevation. Angle her head up just a little bit more. Good there. And then we're just going to come into our next section and we're going to do the same thing. We'll just bring it straight down and cutting it, and we'll do the same on the other side.
Mansi, and today I got a haircut at Unisex Salon, and I also wanted to thank Hair Yoga and Trendy.
Start.
Hi, this is Mansi, and today I got my haircut done.
Start.
Hi, this is Mansi, and today I got my haircut done by Unisex Salon. And I want to thank Hair Yoga, and also I wanted to thank Trendy Haircut Salon.
Thank you.